Hello, I am Mr. Gadget Tech Zone. Today I'm going to take you through 2 steps of how to make a new folder in your computer. Let's get started. Rockstars, step number 1 for creating a new folder is by using the shortcut key. Now, let us go ahead and click on our desktop to activate it. After that, we're going to enter the shortcut key, which is Ctrl plus Shift plus N. And you're going to realize that your new folder has been created. Name it to whatever item you wish to use it for. And click Enter to save it. Now, let us go to step number 2, which is creating a folder manually. So we're going to right-click on our desktop. Under this menu, go and click on New. And in the next menu, go and select Folder and click on it. And your new folder will be created. Go ahead and name it and click Enter. Those were the 2 steps of how you can make a folder. By watching these few steps, now you know how to create a new folder. You can also learn how to shut down your computer just with 1 click by watching this video. Thank you for loving and supporting this channel. If you are not yet part of us, please subscribe and be part of this family. Thank you for watching.